Hello, today we're going to show you how to submit a new job seeker to a job posting. So again, you can review your open job postings here that you have not responded to, but the best way to do this is to always view job postings to see the full list of open job postings. From here, you can select the job posting you're interested in, simply click the ID. And from here, you can always review the specific details to the job posting, including bill rate and other information. We're going to submit a new candidate by clicking Submit New. Everything that you see highlighted here is going to be required, so all of the red starred fields, anything that's highlighted in red will be required. First and last name. The security ID will give you this format here, and so it's the first two letters of the first name, first two letters of the last name, 2-digit birth, 2-digit month of the date. It does need to be in lowercase format, so please take care of that. The date available would be the soonest available start date. In this case, they're available next week. If you happen to have a job seeker submitted to multiple job postings, you would want to say yes here. This allows the team to track that and manage it. If not, just simply click no. The resume, you would simply attach your document here by choosing a file from your list of items here and upload that. The job seeker summary is a brief summary of the candidate, allows you to kind of sell the candidate to the client. In this case, just give them some basic information. You have 4,000 characters to work with there, so it's a good amount of information. Managers will see the job seeker summary when they log into Fieldglass to view the new candidates. The worker type is a dropdown. You probably select W-2, but if it were to be a 1099 or a corp to corp, select the most applicable. Has the candidate ever been employed by the client before? Select yes or no. And if yes, specify it's a drop down that you're allowed to select there. Enter the information as far as the last employment and why did the employment end. If you have the supervisor information, great, go ahead and enter that as well. Will this worker bill at an overtime rate? Yes or no? In this case, it's just no. And is on the job seeker on a visa? I'm going to select no, but if it were to be a visa, you do need to select one of these. Is the work taxable? What we're referring here, is there any sales tax associated with the labor? In this case, the answer is no. If you're not sure about this, we always recommend that you escalate to your leadership to determine if you are in a taxable state where it is required to collect a tax on the labor. And then also enter the percentage there. If NA, you're good with that. The state and the additional taxes if required. Here you would attach the form as requested. You simply add attachments just like you would the resume, choose the file from there, click attach. These are all the supported file extensions, so these should cover all your needs there. Go ahead and click continue. If you were to forget something, you're going to get a red or pink box warning here indicating you've missed something, and you can scroll down to see what you forgot. In this case, I forgot to attach a resume. I think I have a test resume in here somewhere. Here it is. Once you find it, click attach. Once you've completed that step, your last step here is to enter your bill rate. This defaults to the max bill rate for the position. If you're able to be more competitive, maybe you could drop the bill rate a bit, or if not, it defaults to the max. You're not allowed to submit over, so say you wanted to submit this candidate at $85. You try to click continue, it won't allow you. So that is a set max bill rate. So you'll always need to be at the requested or below. We're going to be a little competitive here and come in a few dollars less. And maybe that'll give us a better shot at this one. So once you've completed that, you go to the review page. This allows you to scroll back through and make sure you've entered everything correctly. If you've entered everything correctly, just go ahead and click submit. And this shows that your candidate has been submitted. Now, if you were needing to submit someone as existing, I did want to show you that really quick. I'm going to view and job postings. Click the position that we were just on. Oh, this is a good call out. So this notes that we have reached the maximum number of submittals, which is 2. And you can see that by clicking your job seeker section here. This is one that was submitted earlier, and this is the current one that we just submitted. So I actually need to select another job posting to view what that looks like. Let's find a new one we haven't submitted to. And this, we're going to submit an existing candidate. So here you simply search by the name. I'm going to search the test as the last one we just entered. You click this. And what this does is pre-populates all the information into the requisition. You'll still need to select the anticipated start date, but you see the resume is already attached and all the information that you entered previously copies over. You click continue. Looks like we missed something again. Oh, so this is calling out that this is a potential match, meaning that you submitted this candidate to multiple requisitions. This is just a soft warning. It's just indicating that you've done something a little unusual and wants to make sure that you're aware of that. If you're confirmed and you're good to go, just simply click continue to pass to the next step. Confirm your bill rate here. Click continue. This is your review page to confirm everything is entered correctly. And then you go ahead and click submit. And here again, we've entered the maximum number of submittals here. So 2 positions per job posting. We're at max now. So those are our 2 candidates and we're good to go.